We were going for a birthday party actually. Okay, we were family of 4 on a 2 different batches.
Say your
Okay,
name,
all of a
where you were
sudden,
going,
okay, we fell down
and I follow this show.
without knowing what was happening. Go to see that road is not proper at all. Okay, so I got injured over here. He got injured. My brother, my sister.
Hi, officer.
And my son
He
was
fell.
going for a birthday party.
I fell and in front of me
fell over here
4 scooters fell in about 8 minutes.
And
And it is
after
so
us,
slippery
at
behind
last he
us.
fell.
Almost
After us,
6
there was
feet.
another.
किती किती पडपाक रिझन किती आहे किती झाला
Yes, that's one road. Boy, सगळं muddy. You can take out that video.
All over here.
It's all muddy. Okay, and it is not proper.
The police,
Okay,
they
it's not
came after
leveled.
15, 20
So everybody is
minutes, but they
falling
didn't
down.
do
ती माती रेबो झाला म्हणून पट्टा
who have nothing to
रेबो
do
झाला
over
म्हणून
here.
तो लेवलर ना
But she
सारखे
has
ना ते.
almost 100
Okay,
people.
तो रेबो
The
मध्ये
traction of the
फायदा.
road has totally gone because it is full of
To save
mud.
their life,
So if
when
you
they
just
fall
see
over,
this, see,
they even can
there is
die
no traction.
actually.
If you are
The road
even
is so bad.
riding at 20
police
and they press a brake,
they
I have
can't
seen
do
one
anything at all.
couple and a child fall
We
on the
can't do
scooter
this.
at
We
20.
just ask them to block the
Just braked and the whole bike
They
has
are saying,
skid.
no, we can't divert the
Could
road.
just have easily been a truck behind them and smashed it.
Do something. We have called the cops. They are saying,
So I
let's see
think
what they
someone
can
has
do.
to
We have
take
told them to
some
put a
action on
barricade and at least
Someone has
this
to-
side of the road
There
can be
is
blocked
so much of
so that people are
casualty.
safe.
म्हाजो चेडो तें पडलो हांवें हांगा वयताले खंय तरी वयताले ऑफिसां बेस्ट ब्रेक ना कांयच ना एवरीथींग
किती रेबो झाला म्हणून पट्टा हे
रेबो जाला आनी हांव न्हू कितें तरी जाला पळय ब्रेक पासून नासता आमी 8 जाणां पडले बारोबरी हांगासर 8 जाणां आनी एक धाकटें एकदें भुरगें आतां हितून येला हेल्थ सेंटरान येला तोंडाक हिंगा लागला ट्युरिस्ट जावन चित्तुरे आनी पुलीस सांगता रोड ब्लॉक करूंक जायना ही रोड ब्लॉक करूंक गेला म्हणजे रातचे मागीर लोक आफ्टर पार्टी पळय लोक येता ते आख्खे मोडोन हिंगा मोरपाचे जीव दिवपाचे
म्हणजे मोडून हांगासर सुटतले लोक ते काय करपाचे ना आणि हांव ना तेंचे कडेन काय जायना
नो वन इज बोदर्ड इट्स हॅपनिंग फॉर 4 days इट्स नाव
तांकां वेळ 4 दीस जाले म्हणटा पडटा फ्लोट म्हणून एक्शन घेयना म्हणे कितें रे
cops are saying we can't do anything then people should die over there on the road
तेंचे पडोंक ना रे
तुमकां कॉल कितें येयल्लो
कॉल कितें येयले रोडार माती म्हणून येयला म्हणून कॉल येयल्लो
हय
पण हांगा आतां ते पयले जाल्यार हांगा सगळे पावस पडून चिखल आहा
हय
जर माती जर येयल्ली न्ही रोडार जाल्यार आमी ती रोज मारून जावं कितें उदीक मारून सायडीक काडूंक शकता आसले पण जर आमी आतां उदीक मारले ह्या रोडार जाल्यार सगळे आनीक स्लिपरी जातलो ताका लागून आमी कितेंच हेचेर हें ना
हे आतां पडटा ताका रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण
ताका आमी सांगूं शकना न्हू सर
सोल्युशन कितें ताका
हेका सोल्युशन आमी आतां जर आमचे कडेन जे पॉसिबल आसलें जाल्यार आमी तें करतले आसले पण हे चिखलार आमी उदीक जर मारले जाल्यार आनीक सगळे उदीक हे जातले स्प्रेड जातले आनी कोण तरी लोक पडटले